Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you home decor ideas. So I hope you enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today video. So friends, my first ideas viewers. Cozy home start with small detailed areas of cushions and wall blanket to make your living room feel comfort and inviting. So you can use paper, cardboard, fabric, button paper, wooden stick or recycled material. Simple relics can become amazing decoration. Friends, make colorful paper flower to decorate your room, or give us a handmade gifts. They are easy to make and stay beautiful for a long time. Dear friends, turn all the jar and bottles into lovely flowers. Was paint them with your favorite color, add ribbon or prints for a stylish look. And weavers, make your wall hanging with young paper or natural material like leaves, wings, handmade wall art. Add warmth to every home. And friends, viewers, decorate plain candle for flower pot or stylish boxes with paint, stickers or simple patterns. Small changes can make ordinary items look special. So viewers, I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates. We will allow please see you in the next video. Take care and Khuda Hafiz viewers.